Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got something pretty unique here today, for me anyway. This is one of those, what some people call ice cream cone, kind of desserts, kind of one of those things that you kind of spend a little bit extra so that you get a treat, maybe a bucket list item, call it what you will. This is something that came with a premium, but I always wanted one. I actually made an offer to the guy online and he accepted, and it was about $40 cheaper than what I could pick it up for on eBay. So anytime I can save a little money, even though I'm paying a premium, it's nice to save money on that premium, right? So once he agreed to sell it for less and pay for shipping, I said, let's do this thing because I've always wanted one. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I think it's over here. So let's cut over here. And open it up here. I don't know if they're... Oh, man, I cut the plastic bag it was in, so glad I didn't cut anything else. That's, you can see it down there. Some of you may or may not already recognize it. Let me get it out of this bag. Oh, they package it up very nice. You know what it is yet? Some of you know. Oh man, I've wanted one of these for a long time. But again, the premiums are high, but anything Geiger based has high premiums. So what is this? This is 31 gram 999 silver Geiger Bars, Geiger squares, right? So they come in this package, 30 of them. They're sealed. You see it's sealed. No serial number on it. I wonder if I bet you the serial numbers are on the actual bars themselves. But I'm not going to open it. I am not opening it. I'm going to keep it in the original packaging. Let me take a look here. Let me see if I bet you these serial numbers are, yep. Yeah, they're hard to see because they're below the diamond here. You can see there's some blue writing. Those are going to be serial numbers. So what do you think, huh? 31 gram Geiger Bars in the original packaging. So I've had my eye on these for a while. There's a guy in Germany I could have bought them from a decent price and paid the $10 shipping or whatever. But again, got this online, made an offer, he accepted, he paid for shipping, got it within a few days, and pretty excited to have this as part of my Geiger collection. If you haven't checked it out, I did a video on Geiger not too long ago. Go look through my videos, check it out. In fact, I'll post a link to it down below here. And Geiger is a great company, but you'll notice when you look at that video, even though I have a lot of Geiger stuff out, this is not in my stack, but now it is. Pretty cool, huh? I'm not even sure how this thing opens, because I think they, if you see people selling them individually, they'll show the tray sitting there, and they pull them out one at a time, so it looks like there's a lid right here that you can pop off, and pull them out one at a time. See the serial numbers if you want to. It would be like this. And there's the security black light marks on it. You can see the little writing down below with the serial numbers going to be on there. Autofocus isn't working very well. So yeah, that's it. Finally got myself a 30 pack of Geiger Bars. They're 1 gram, so they're pretty small. But these are pretty popular. People like these things, and people, if I were to break these out and sell them one gram bar at a time, I could easily make some money flipping these for sure, because people love these things. But that's not my intent. Most of you know I'm not a flipper. I'm a stacker, and this is going into my stack. All right, let's put it like this. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Alright, looks good, huh? Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.